Hi friends, how are you? Today I'm going to show how to use Reap tools in SolidWorks. We'll learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and select New and select Part and select OK. Now go to Front Plane and Sketch. Now draw the sketch here from origin. Now select OK. Now give this line dimension. This line dimension 80. Okay. Now this line dimension 100. Okay. Now this line dimension 20 and this line dimension 20. Now go to feature and extrude. Now here extrude from mid plane. Now here below 70. Okay. Now here select plane white. Now this face sketch, draw the sketch. Now from here mid plane, make here center line. Now draw here circle. Now give the below circle 30. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now here extrude from blind. Now give the below 20. Okay. Now this plane sketch. Now here draw the circle. Now give the below 15. Now go to feature and extrude card. Okay, through all. Now here extrude, change the below 15. Okay. Now go to front plane and sketch. Now draw the line. This point and this point. Okay. Now go to select feature and Reap tools. Okay. Now go to again isometric view. Now here select this plane sketch. Now draw the hair circle. Now give the below 10. This point and this line distance 10. And this point and this line distance 10. Now go to feature and extrude cut through all. Now go to front plane and mirror. Now the feature to mirror, select cut. Okay. Now here fillet use 5 as we wish. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Make our job. Thank you all everyone. Share and like. If you have any else, you can write comment box.